Hi, I'm Axel. Welcome to BitSports AI. Today I will explain you the steps to follow to make your deposits, and some additional details. Inside your account on the dashboard, you must go to the deposit section. Actually, we only accept deposits in USDT, TRC20 from the Tron network. In this area you can enter the amount you wish to deposit. After entering the amount, you can press the deposit button. Well, the minimum deposit is $10 USDT and the maximum is up to $100,000 USDT. Elite membership is $10 USDT up to $999 USDT. Pro membership is $1,000 USDT up to $9,999 USDT. Max membership is $10,000 USDT up to $100,000 USDT. Now, I am going to show you how to deposit is very easy and fast. You can make as many deposits as you want, and you should know that all deposits accumulate up to a maximum of $100,000 USDT. Now, we are going to make the deposit. You have to enter the amount you wish to deposit, and then press the deposit button. Once you make the payment, you will immediately be shown a pop-up window with the wallet address where you should send the deposit. It is important to remember to send USDT from the Tron TRC20 network to avoid losing the deposit due to incorrect sending. You have two options to send the deposit: copy and paste the wallet address, or scan the QR code. Choose the option that is most convenient for you. To make sure that the deposit is completed correctly, it is important that you keep the pop-up window open after submitting it and wait for it to be completed. This could take a few seconds or minutes. It all depends on the blockchain confirmations. I just sent my deposit by scanning the QR code with my phone from my wallet. Let's wait a moment. Fantastic! My deposit has been completed. Very well. This is how you can make deposits. Now the deposit is credited, and in 48 hours it will be active to receive ROI from the sports arbitrage bot. You are now ready to make your deposits. I hope I have helped you with this information. Thank you so much.